So of course I'm super excited because you see it's just like the 9th of the month and I have just received my BoxyCharm Base Box for the month of November. This is a monthly beauty subscription. You'll receive it monthly for $25 is the most affordable one. You get 5 full-size items and most of the months are good, some are not, hit or miss, but I just love receiving something new every single month. I'll leave in the description, I'll leave the link if you want to sign up, and you can cancel anytime, which is the best part. If you're new, welcome. My name is Jen, Jenz Beautystyle, and please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Let me know if you have received your box already. I thought it was going to be like super delayed because of the holidays coming, but I'm so happy right now. By the way, I also filmed my perfume must-haves. I know a lot of you guys request that video, so that's coming next, but this is going to be uploaded first. Right, so this is the theme for this month. Doesn't really make sense, huh? I would think it would be like Thanksgiving themed or something like that, more fall-ish. Just tell us everything I got, prices, a little description. So let's see the first thing here. Okay, this looks interesting. Look at this. So we have a skincare item. So it's green grass, cardamom, lavender, foaming body scrub. I mean, I'm lucky. I love scrubs. Really do. Sexy, rich, and luxe. The softest of woody notes blended with cardamom, coffee, lavender, and bergamot envelop senses like a fine cashmere wrap. It hydrates dry skin, revealing softer, smoother, brighter looking skin. This retails for $24. So definitely can't wait to see what it smells like. Oh, why is it like this? Let's smell it. It's pretty pleasant. I must say I like it. Some things right away once I smell it, I'm like, yeah, no. But I like it. I really do. Can't wait to try it. Maybe once a week I like to use a more like heavy scrub. From the brand Tristique. I have received Tristique before. I've never bought it myself. So this is a foundation stick. Are we actually getting a foundation here? I think my first like high-end foundation was from Benefit and it was a stick. After that, I really never used the stick again. A buildable foundation that helps to protect against the harmful effects of blue light. I think like every foundation coming out now is like blue light, blue light. The weightless, creamy base formula glides on effortlessly to a medium finish. The built-in sponge applies foundation seamlessly. The foundation case is recyclable and refillable. This retails for $30. I guess this is the color. I'm hoping it matches. And it does say it's cruelty-free, vegan, formulated in Italy. This is called Lima Opal. Let's open it. I'm very intrigued. Oh, look at this. Isn't that interesting? I would have never thought this would be a foundation. Okay, is there a sponge here? Okay, look at that. What do you think? Super curious. Let's see. So you twist it. Let's see how much we get. Okay, this is what you get. And how much does this retail for? This is $30, and that is not a lot of product, but okay. But the color looks amazing. The color does, at least for me. Or maybe not. I don't know. We'll have to try it out. I'll try it out one day. I don't know if you would want to see a review on this. If you receive it as well. I do have oily skin. This looks a bit maybe cool for me. I don't know. But I just blended it out and it looks pretty good, right? You can't even tell like a difference skin tone wise. So no real scent to this, so that's interesting. Okay, so as of now we have a body scrub and a foundation. Trust Fund Beauty. Oh, I received something from this a while back and I know I really liked it, but I can't recall what it was. Maybe it was a highlighter, and I think it was from Ipsy, not BoxyCharm. So this is the Trust Fund Beauty Better Than Therapy Lip Oil. And where is this here on the list? It's rough out there, but lips don't need to be. Take a minute for some sexy self-care with Better Than Therapy Lip Oil, infused with therapeutic vitamin E to give your pout some TLC. It's both a lip treatment and a delicious clear gloss. Use alone or as a perfect topper for lipsticks and lip liner when you want an ultra juicy look, and this retails for $18. I don't think it has a name. This is vegan, cruelty-free, gluten-free, independently female owned and founded. It's pretty. Look at that. I think this would be such a great gift, don't you think, for someone that is obsessed with lip gloss? Or of course, if you love lip gloss, then you're gonna love it. But we'll see. Maybe I'll give it as part of a Christmas stocking stuffer or something. I didn't smell it. Can I smell it? I just have to smell it and see if it smells like anything. Hopefully delicious. It is scented. I can't tell what that is, but it is scented. And it smells nice. Do you like a scented lip gloss, or you just rather it be nothing? This is from Glow on Fifth Beauty. Brightening Mud Mask. Alright, another thing I like is a mud mask. This here is again from Glow on Fifth. Refresh and reset. Dull, uneven skin has finally met its match. In your skin's natural radiance by using this ginger mud mask infused with ginger root and taurine to re-energize skin and minimize fatigue, boost circulation, and help with rehydration. Use 1 to 3 times per week and enjoy the gift of instantly radiant skin. This retails for $30. Again, it says cruelty-free, paraben-free, sulfate-free, formulated for all skin types. Let's see if I can open this without slicing my finger. Never easy with these nails. As of now, we still have some left, but as of now, I don't know, I guess I'm excited for... Nothing's driving me crazy right now, to be honest, but let's take a look to see what this looks like. Let's take a look to see what this looks like. And let's look. Oh, look at that. It comes with a little spatula, or what do you call this? Look at that. Did this say, what does this have? Ginger? Yeah, ginger root. Apply a thin layer to damp, clean skin. Leave for 10 to 20 minutes to rinse off with warm water. Okay, I'm excited for this. Okay, so it's a really nice thick consistency. We really love mud masks. And I like the color, it looks great. This fit, you know, it would have been nice if they would have made this fit here. Because, can it close? I don't know, can it close properly if I put that in there? Not really. And I don't want to risk it drying out, so... Rose and Cream Lip and Cheek Cream Palette. Ooh. Seraphine Botanicals. So the brand is Seraphine Botanicals. Here's the back. Can't wait to open it up and test this out. And this is a vegan and cruelty-free, no parabens, made exclusively for BoxyCharm. Okay, China. So this here, Seraphine Botanicals, combining hydration, healthy, and hue in one easy-to-use buttery palette infused with plant oils and waxes for your lips and cheeks. I don't really like creamy products for my face because I'm super oily. That just makes me break out, but I'm sure if you don't have problems with that or clogged pores or oily skin, you might love creamy products. The 3 creamy formulations are made with Gold of Pleasure oil, ooh, as well as nourishing shea butter. Oh yeah, I am not putting this on my face. That melt onto skin to enable you to achieve seamless, long-lasting color. Powered by evening primrose, cowslip primrose, and cabbage rose extracts to help luminize and condition your complexion. This retails for $42. It's called Brown Butter, Rosy Pink, and Deep Rose. So I'm going to open it up carefully because, like I said, this is not going on my face. And that means on my next giveaway, which I have one going on right now, just in case you don't know, check out my channel. It ends on the 20th, so you still got time to enter. Here it is. The colors actually still look pretty deep for my skin tone, I think. I hope it's showing up the same on camera. It looks lighter on camera to me, but these look beautiful here. But yeah, I hope someone enjoys this. It looks beautiful. It's a thin packaging, which I like. It's not bulky. Great for traveling. Things are nice brands. Most of them I have never heard of. I have heard of Tristique and the, what is it? Trust Fund Beauty. But nothing like, you know, ones that I really know that I would have liked to get. Yeah, you're getting maybe like $150, something like that, maybe a little less. I'm not being exact here, for $25. So whether you want to sign up so you have like for $25 little things to like give for the holidays, you have 5 items that you're getting, and they're pretty nice brands, so it looks good for gifts. Or maybe you just want to treat yourself for the holidays, whatever it is, but it's okay. I wish I had more subscriptions. Right now, I don't have as many, but I love it. I really think that I want to try the Ipsy, what is it? The Glam Bag Plus? I don't even remember what it's called now, but it's the $25 one. I think it's still $25. But let me know what you got. What do you think about this box? Would you be excited if you received this? Thank you so much for watching. I'll leave the playlist of all my other unboxings for BoxyCharm. Thank you so much, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.